All right. I'm me. All right, you on me, pal?
Oh, yeah.
All right, cool. All right, on three, I'm going to bust down the door. We're going to get this fucking asshole finally. We got him twice in the Super Bowl. We're going to get him one more time. Third time's the charm. Let's get this motherfucker, put him behind bars forever.
Can you believe a guy with his amount of wealth would go to a nasty fucking place like this?
I mean, lovely lady time spa. You know what fucking time it is with this
disgusting.
place.
I used to get my Kodak film developed next door.
Yeah.
Okay, I always thought it was a rubbing tub, but I saw a lot of Orientals going in. I didn't make it hot.
You know,
I don't got a racist bone in my body.
Not at all.
Okay,
not at all.
Listen,
I know you.
Listen,
I know you for years. You're not a racist guy.
I'm not racist.
You're not a racist guy.
My mother-in-law eats Asian food every Thursday.
You know, I know.
Explain that.
Exactly.
I once karate chopped someone.
I know you're
a
stand-up guy.
I get their culture.
Stand-up guy. You know what I mean? Yeah. And you're related to Matt fucking Calamari. I know you're a stand-up guy.
Oh, you know Mike?
Listen, that guy's gonna turn America around. That guy.
MAGA Mike. He's old. They don't make them like he.
No, man, he's come from a different cloth.
You should have met his father, Tony Calamari.
Oh, my God.
That was a man. That was an Italian. Is Italian.
The legacy lives on.
An Italian.
I
once seen him kick the shit out of a black guy. Oof.
Oh, amazing.
You know who that black guy went on to be?
Who?
Marvin Gaye.
Unbelievable.
So he basically invented R&B.
Yeah, you know what I mean? He wrote What's Going On.
He was
kicking Marvin Gaye's ass. Marvin Gaye was like, What's going on? What's going on? What the fuck? Whoa.
He was like, brother.
Hey, brother. Whoa.
Oh.
All right, on three. Let's go.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Everybody on the fucking ground. Everybody on the fucking ground. Everybody
get down. Get down.
Hey, you.
Stop running. She's running to the back.
Hey, Charlie, get down on the fucking ground.
Go check room number 3. I'll check rooms 1 and 2.
Whoa.
Oh, what do you see?
Oh, come over here. You got
what do you see?
Oh, look at this.
Oh, my
Look what we got here.
Wow.
Look what we got here.
Wow. What? Oh, look at this. Is that who I think it is?
Yes, it is.
Wow.
And ironically, we're wearing our undercover Giants jerseys.
That's all I wear. So I don't get shot.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Hey, Bobby, you getting your cheese churned over here? Huh?
A little Kraft mac and cheese at 11 a.m., huh?
Little handy snack, pal?
A little liquid gold? Is that what you're just shifting it up? Huh?
All right, okay.
It looks like you already boiled the noodles and she was going to put the little packet of powder on you, huh?
Yeah, but you know what? He's not a moon yet, so let's get this guy warning. We're gonna let him off with a warning.
You're a respectable white guy.
Yeah, we're gonna let you go this one time. We're giving you a warning this one time. You're fucking lucky.
Okay,
all right?
Get out of here. We don't ever want to see you in here again.
Fucking beat it.
Okay. And tell Tom Brady stop being fucking amazing.
That's right.
Hate that guy, but I love that guy.
I love him. He's a fucking. He plays the game.
Hey, wait. One thing before you go. He really kisses his kids on the fucking mouth? Disgusting.
It's a fucking disgusting.
The whole organization disgusts me. Get the fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here. Beat it. Get out of here. Get back in your limo, you garbage bag.
Wow. He has what they call one of those micro dicks.
He does. It inverts it back into his body. It's disgusting. I saw it firsthand.
Wow.
I'll never unsee it.
Oh my God. He might as well use tampons.
Jesus Christ.
All right. Let's reset. Go back outside.
Right. 14 minutes later. We're going to bust back in here.
Okay.
There's got to be somebody in there. We got to bust this place once and for all.
15. We got to bust every 15 minutes. That's disgusting. Like these scumbags.
The fucking thing is that we keep running into rich white guys. What are we doing here? We got to find somebody.
What are we doing here? What are they doing here?
You know what I mean?
Scumbags.
Unbelievable.
Makes me sick.
All right, on three. Let's go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Everyone on the floor. Hands where I can see.
Hands where I can see him.
Call me Busta Rhymes. Put your hands where I can see.
I'm going to take the left side. You take the right side.
Okay, all right.
Let's go.
One, I don't
It's empty. It's empty. Whoa.
What do you got over there? Are you fucking kidding me?
Sorry, I apologize.
Robert Kraft, you're back here.
I'm very sorry.
First of all, cover that erection.
I'm sorry.
Put a towel on that.
But
we get out of here.
My Cialis is working very, very hard, very well.
Bobby, get in here. Go look at this piece of shit I just found in here.
Whoa, Madon. Hey, pal, what the fuck? What's going on with you here?
What?
Whoa, pal, what are you trying to make extra sauce for the pizza? What the fuck is going on?
Whoa.
Jesus Christ, this guy.
She said that he wants him. He asked her to put every championship ring they got in his butt.
What the fuck is this guy?
He's into some sick shit.
God, you sick fuck. Get the fuck out of here.
Nah, we lock him up.
Yeah, we got to take you in this time, pal. Listen, we gave you one more.
We're going to treat you like Hillary. Lock him up. Lock him up.
Lock your ass up. Listen, pal, we gave you one shot and you blew it. Now you're really going to blow it in jail. You fucking jerk. Let's go. Put your hands behind your fucking back. I don't even know if they reach, you jerk off. Go fuck yourself.
If he had done that, he wouldn't be in his problem right now.
That's right.
watch your head when you go inside. Watch your head when you get in the back of the car, and I'm not talking about your real head.
Yeah, motherfucker.
They go into bookings with no pants.
Yeah, you fucking piece of shit.
Enjoy the peanut butter sandwiches, Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah.
Episode 149, do the drop.
Do the fucking drop, you fucking jerks.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
They gotta give you pants though. If you go to jail, if you got no pants, they're required, right? They gotta give you pants. I always wonder that because again, back in my former life, I was like, damn, if niggas raid you like at 5 a.m. and you sleep naked, what clothes do they let you pick your outfit out?
I feel like.
Because that seems like I go, I need to get a very specific pair of jeans, officer. Like you be like, relax.
Yeah,
relax.
I've never been arrested but nilsy, but all my other police information comes from like Law and Order, and they're always like, put some clothes on. You know what I'm saying? Like,
how quickly we forget the Aaron Hernandez arrest.
Oh yeah,
when they put him on butt nilsy?
No, he was cuffed with his hands behind his back, but they threw the fucking
sweatsuit over him.
Wow.
Sweatshirt. Yeah, white sweat.
Yeah,
like an undershirt over.
Wow.
But like, but see, here's the problem with Law and Order. Law and Order is the fakest shit ever, and if you actually gone through the legal system, you know it doesn't. First of all, the cops they'll come in here and kick in the door. And be like, Victor, we have to talk to you about a fucking murder. And Victor be like, can we do it later? I'm busy. Like, who the fuck? Like, that's not how it works.
Reasonable request.
But no, like Victor would even stop what he's doing. Like he'd be on the computer, like, I don't have time for this. And they'd have to close his laptop and be like, make some time for this.
And he's just like, excuse me, am I being arrested for somebody?
Oh, if not,
for something?
I'm gonna need my lawyer here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't talk to the cops like that.
Not at all.
I remember I said I was like, I need my lawyer. They was like, pfft.
Well, he's my lawyer, dickhead.
It was like, it was like, say that shit for the judge. I was like, I can't say that now? It was like, nah. I was like, do we even get a one phone call? It was like, maybe if I feel like it. Like, nigga, I'm not walking you to the phone.
Fuck out of here, nigga. You got a quarter?
That was the other shit. They was like, there's a payphone. I was like, nigga, who the fuck got... First of all, I don't walk around with case quarters.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to everyone under 20 listen to this podcast. Like, what's a case quarter?
What's a case quarter?
A case quarter was a very special limited edition quarter made by Def Jam to celebrate the making of Case and Foxy Brown's Touch Me, Tease Me.
Yes, that is it.
That's exactly what that was for.
Take the information and run with it.
Okay, just spread that online. So I'm in the cell, and they're like, yo, if you want to make a phone call, use a quarter. And I'm like... So niggas in the cells are like, yo, who got a quarter? Who got a quarter? So then the nigga that got quarters is like, what's up? I got quarters for $1.
Oh.
Which sounds entrepreneurial. Yeah. Except niggas on the back of the cell was like, let's just beat this nigga down and take his quarters. At what point I was like, CO, I'm too pretty to be in here. What's up?
Yo.
I was like, can I go sit with the blacks? There's mad Dominicans in here. They're not recognizing me. They won't let me use the toilet. They said it's on the light side of the cell.
No. You should have just been like, see.
Nah, we was chill. Like there was, like getting locked up is never fun. But every now and then you have a fun bookings experience.
Oh yeah.
When you leave, you gotta like shake mad niggas' hands. Like, see you around, Blackie. Hey, Brooklyn, Trinidad. Yo, keep busting some guns. Yo, the one white guy in the cell. You're like, yo, French Jack. Yo, I see you on the outside. He's like, I'm Italian. I'm like, what the fuck ever.
Yeah, hope you beat that DUI. You fucking creep.
As you're coming out to put someone in, you're like, hey, this is a great bunch. You're lucked up.
Yeah. There's good guys in there.
Start leaving Yelp reviews for it. Yeah.
Cheers for jail. Where everybody knows your name. You walk in, it's like 0691 78
You walk in like, Desus. I was like, my people. Hey. You walk, it's like the fucking... Oh, shit.
Let me get a Sun Cup apple juice.
They're like, oh, we knew you were coming back, so we saved you a box of cereal.
Oh, thank you.
Nigga walk in the cell like,
Frosted Mini Wheats?
Hey. And what's the deal with incarceration?
I mean, come on.
Oh, my God.
I mean, I spent the whole weekend in lockup. Can you believe it?
Oh, so just the other day, I came out my cell and I had to beat a nigga down with a piece of sock and a soap and a sock. So, like, they call it Aryan Nation, but let's start a little smaller, guys. Aryan Country?
Come on. Like Aryan Town? County?
Yo.
Hey.
Yo. So last night, I stabbed my bunkmate and put him under the bed. That's not a joke.
Fucker.
Seinfeld in jail.
Nigga died. Nigga bled to death, nigga.
Remember, it ended with them in jail.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Yeah, it was like,
I'm sure Jerry's mad ripped now.
Swole and shit.
While
Like,
swole.
he's the Adebisi of like white
The
jail.
Jews. He started a Jew gang in jail. Jew gang. Jerry's Jew gang.
You know what I'm saying? Get down and lay down. You know what I'm saying?
Just sitting at the cafeteria complaining about shit.
You know what I'm saying? Lay you out like the Torah, nigga. Fuck out of here. Like, yo, fuck, nigga.
They got no tattoos because, if you get tattoos, you can't get buried in the cemetery.
Exactly.
Oh,
shit. Oh, my God. No, what happened? What? Oh.
You ever heard of the Belmonts?
The Belmonts?
The Belmonts.
Not the horse race?
No, it was a little Bronx history for you. They were like...
Oh, that's what the street is named after them.
No, they lived on the street.
Oh, they own
They
the
weren't
street.
popping like that. No, it wasn't that long ago. It was like the 50s.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was...
It wasn't
I
that
guess
long ago.
they were
It's
white
the
people's
50s.
terror squad?
That was white people's terror.
They were.
Did they have joints? They didn't have a lean back.
Listen to this banger they got. It kind of sounds like reggae. It sounds like K7 come baby come baby come.
Oh, that isn't it?
No, this is white people. When white people ran the Bronx. You hear this shit?
What?
This is like late at night. You hear this coming through the window while you're looking for the subway. Like, these niggas gonna beat my ass.
Oh, shit.
I'm in a raw part of town.
Oh, fuck.
This is that Bronx Tale bullshit.
Yo, we got this to DJ Mustard and Pharrell. There's a sample in there though.
Yeah.
I stand by it.
Stand by.
Give this shit to G-Eazy.
It was the summer of 1950. I was visiting my nana. I was on Arthur Ave. Suddenly, I see the black guy in a Dominican. Hey, Frenchie. Hey, get the crowbar. We beating blackies tonight.
Get this guy's ass.
That's why I was like, you don't like a Bronx Tale? I was like, no. That's a part of the Bronx I don't want to know about.
Yo, fam.
That's the part of the Bronx when you drive through Country Club too close.
Fam, 6 niggas that look like Pat Riley.
Hey, can I help you?
Hey,
can I help you? Yeah. What business you got around here?
Hey, what's up, pal? What's up? Yeah, no, you can't go in there. That's the.
This is a private street.
It's a private area.
And you're like, this is not a private street. It's a private street now.
It is a private. And then you look down and it's like,
you're like, oh shit.
Oh, this nigga shot me.
I mean, listen, that was a warning shot.
All right.
Okay. You're black. You'll be able to walk it off.
Nah, my fucking guts.
Hey. Listen, I got more. I got more where that came from.
Cool.
Okay.
I'm gonna just get on the A bus. I'll see you later.
Okay. Listen, I mean you no harm. I'm just here because I saw an ad on Backpage and this girl said it was to meet her here.
Yo,
you gotta be a savage if you go to Country Club
fam
first for pussy off
Yo,
the Backpage.
Fam.
That means you either fucking a cop's wife or you want to get locked up.
You want to get locked up? Yeah, fam. Like, listen. I'm not gonna say too much because I don't want to get whacked. Some niggas out there is active, bro. Like, I'm like, yo.
Oh, they be putting it down.
Yo.
Country Club is a part of the Bronx. For those you guys don't know, it's like a sovereign nation of white people.
Basically, it's The Sopranos. Every season.
I mean, the shit is called Country Club like, in the Bronx.
Yo,
they were like, we're calling it Country Club, and somebody was like, I don't think you can do. They was like, shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck. You
asshole.
No one paid you the thing. Yeah.
You like your knees, right?
Huh?
You
Yeah.
like walking? You like the ability to walk?
Okay.
Yeah, I suggest you shut your fucking mouth.
And mind your business.
Fucking facha brute.
We got a private beach here. We're gonna keep it private.
That's right.
That shit is wild. It's a private beach, and then it's Donald Trump's fucking golf course. They are not low whatsoever. That is MAGA country in the Bronx. And we're just like, who gives a shit? Next stop, Jimmy's. Hey, welcome to City Island.
No. It's crazy because like as you're driving there, you see like the floral arrangement that spells out Trump mad big. I'm just like, yo,
you can't miss it when you coming over the bridge. You see it right there, and they built a new pavilion ever since he became president. Someone might want to investigate where that money's coming from, but you know, that's not it. Because you know what?
That's not war money.
We don't care about that because we here at the Bodega Boys.
That's right.
It's episode 149. I don't know if I stated that. We only support local businesses.
That's right.
So shout out to our new sponsor, Sammy's Fish Rocks on City Island.
Hey,
my name's Sam, and so everyone said, of course, when you're in the States, you've got to come to Sammy's Fish Bar. It's the best place to come. So I've come all around the world. Gigantic portions of food. It's beautiful fish, and we are stuffed.
They have great portions here at Sammy's. The food is always fresh. Great menu. Great service. Was that enough, Grace? We had a great time. I just had the best meal I ever had in my life.
To this day.
Sammy's Fish Box at City
You know what I'm
Island.
saying?
Okay?
Turn up.
Turn up. They're sponsored.
When was that commercial from? Because it sounds like the 90s.
Oh, no. That's,
yeah.
if you watch City Island commercials, that's probably like 2014.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Like, fam.
Their commercials,
niggas
I mean, they're just like, yo, listen, we got fish. We're in the Bronx. Where the fuck you going?
Where you going?
That's it.
Where you going?
That's the marketing plan.
Oh, you gonna get on a train or some shit?
Relax.
You ain't going nowhere, nigga. Get in your Honda and get your ass over here. So you can lose your car with the valet.
Okay.
Valet, I'm like,
City
wow.
Island's whole marketing thing is basically like, yo, we know you're drunk when you leave this island. We're not making it hot. Because there's no way you can go to City Island. You're going to have one beer to come back. That's why they got what do you call this?
Roundabout?
The roundabout.
Yeah.
Because if you drunk, you're just going to be stuck there for an hour. Like, we're not
Man,
turn off. And if you turn off the wrong one, you have to fucking cops firing range.
Yeah.
So choose correctly.
Yeah, but choose your own adventure. You can get clapped by police or go home. You know how many times I went around that shit 10 times, high as fuck? Like, yo, doing the wild, like, skirt. Then I'm just like, all right, I'm going to get arrested for this.
Well, don't forget the cop, and this disappeared from the news. The cop, it was like a Tuesday night, and a cop was coming from City Island with a female cop in the passenger seat in like a Dodge Charger. It was going so fast in that roundabout. Missed that. You gotta make the left turn to get onto the highway. Yeah. The car caught on fire. The person in the passenger seat was so badly burned they couldn't tell if it was a man or a woman. And then the guy didn't get charged or some shit like that. Like it just dropped out and it turned out she was like a cop. She was like a rookie cop or some shit.
Damn.
So don't drink and drive, y'all. What was the old saying? Arrive alive, don't drink and drive?
Yeah.
It should be like, yo, watch your pockets.
Fam.
Because if you get a DUI, that shit's wild expensive. That will make people not do it.
That, number one, and then fucking your insurance goes from like $200 a month to like $8,000 a month because you fucking crashed your car because you had too many Bacardi Breezers, nigga, at the fucking party.
Oh, you got insurance?
Yeah. I have to.
Sovereign citizen, nigga. I don't got no insurance. If I crash, I just give them currency I made with my face on it. Like, hey, here's some Jesus dollars. Sorry about that. Go get that bumper fix.
Go get that fix. Yo, my favorite shit though is getting into a car accident with niggas and they jump out the car and it's like some like clearly nigga that does not want to involve police. And you just look at each other like, yo,
he's like, yo, you good?
I'm good.
I see you. Oh shit. Time for another ad. Sorry, guys. New sponsor, Kings Harbor Medical Center in the Bronx.
Oh shit, let's get it. Let's sing it together. Harbor in Pelham Gardens, your Bronx neighbor that cares for you.
Hospital stay. The fastest road to recovery.
This song has no business slapping this hard.
No, it's just slap.
Many programs to help people get
This is like the shit your TT goes see.
a highly skilled,
Where she fall down and shit.
and a comfortable, caring.
Free transportation for patients and families. Do remember.
You know what I'm saying?
Do remember.
Call
You know what I'm saying?
718-405-3560.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, right.
That's the national anthem of the Bronx.
Right.
They play that at graduations and at weddings.
That's
and shit.
right. And it's, you know what
they
I'm
play
saying?
that at Tosca when they bring out the fucking when they bring out the unlimited mimosas for brunch, and then they wait. They be like, "Yo, excuse me, you can only be at this table for 2 hours."
Sorry.
There's other parties in here.
And also, it's right next to Palomana. So if your nana is like a little wacky and she just wanders out of the facility, you could go right there to the diner and find her eating a patty melt.
It's true.
You know what I'm saying?
It's
That's
true.
a fact.
What the fuck are they advertising in the Bronx?
Yo, we advertise shit that be there that you don't really need. Because like other places be like, yo, would you like a car? Would you like to buy a house? The Bronx is like, yo, your grandma lost her fucking mind.
Yo.
Okay.
Yo, did your grandma get wild bed sores, nigga?
Yo,
let's sue these niggas.
Your grandfather just be wandering off? All right, bet. We got a house for him.
Yo, you want your uncle to sing for corner furniture? Bet.
We got you. Oh, shit. Listen, the Bronx is different. Did you see the video of the guy just busting the gun all brazy on Girard Ave, 2 blocks away from the courthouse in the middle of the day?
Yeah.
And the little girl is like right there.
Yeah, I was like, what the fuck is this nigga doing?
And everyone on Twitter was like, yo, Bronx gotta get their shit together. I'm like, yo, if a nigga will bust off in the middle of the day 2 blocks away from the courthouse, not much the rest of us could do.
Yeah.
Okay?
Like,
listen, it's out of my hands, baby.
That's his problem.
That's his problem. That's a choice he made. That's not all of us in the Bronx.
That's not borough-wide.
That's like when they're like, yo, Muslims gotta denounce this. No, not all Bronx people gotta denounce shootings. Some of us are just trying to survive. All right? He was like, yo, it's a shame. All I see in the comments is Bronx niggas be like, it bees like that.
Yo,
it bees like that. I can't do nothing about it, nigga.
Like, yo.
It's like when you go, if I go to BBQs, I keep my head on swivel.
Exactly.
Doesn't mean I'm looking for gunplay. I just know that it's gunplay adjacent.
There's a possibility of gunplay.
Okay, it's called Gunplay Plaza.
Gunplay Plaza. Man, come on, dog. You know what time it is?
All right,
you
but
step in the arena?
let's act like we've never gone on a date with a weapon. Okay,
come on, fam.
We've all done it.
Come on,
and let's act like you Bronx women don't get turned on when you know God got a thing on him. He brought that. Yo, he brought the big gun.
Oh shit!
He brought the big dick.
Oh my god! Yes.
He came through with the 50 cal.
Damn,
girl, I was so wet.
Oh my god!
I had to go to the BBQ bathroom and wash my panties out.
Girl, let me tell you something. I got in this nigga car and I looked in the passenger seat and there was no gun there. And I was like, this nigga's mad pussy.
I was like, where's your gun? And he was like, I don't have a gun. I'm in college. And I was like, bye. And then but then you know what? I got shook and I was just like, yo, this nigga's mad pussy. But then I look in the back seat. Nigga had the Draco in the back seat. What?
Oh shit. With one in the head, nigga.
He got a brother.
Yeah.
Oh wait,
he's doing 5 to 10 though, but he'll be back soon.
You know what? I forgot. I'm a girl from the Bronx, so I'm just gonna fuck your man. Shout out to all my queens.
Messy Bronx Twitter.
Sorry. I would like to apologize for that statement. That only applies for girls who live below Jackson Ave down to 149th Street. So you know y'all don't be living right. Also, I'm not even gonna lie. From like 2007 to 2014, Jackson Ave had the baddest chicks in the Bronx.
Oh man!
And you'd be on the 2 train seeing them and like, damn, Ma, you don't gotta live like this.
You don't gotta live like this.
Damn, you live at a stop. The train don't even stop at when it goes express.
Damn.
But you came up now. You trying to save somebody?
Nah,
is
I'm
that
not
what
trying
I'm
to save
hearing?
nothing.
Is that the prelude?
No, because I'm at the point I don't need nobody. So it's just like, because it's like, what are you gonna? Right now, it's like when you get a Metro card, it's like, do you add time or do you add value? And another person's not adding either right now.
You got to do the Sandra Bullock shit and just adopt a kid. Fuck all the other shit.
I was thinking about that. Because I seen how, people, they enjoy seeing me with the puppy. And I was like, damn, if y'all love seeing me with a puppy, we'll come through with little Jesus.
Yeah.
But then I was like, damn, you got to feed these niggas every day.
Every day.
You got to get more.
Diapers,
you can't do that Simpson shit. They got to have more than one outfit.
Yeah. You got to decide what side of the anti-vaccination debate you're on.
Yeah, I'm a sovereign citizen, so you already know.
Yeah.
All right? Talking about measles. You're going to take these essential oils and be good, my nigga.
That's it, nigga.
Okay.
Raw honey. Okay. Raw honey kills everything.
Oh, shit. My baby got tuberculosis. Here's some ground up almonds.
Here's some CBD oil for your eyeballs.
Oh, shit.
Nigga.
Your baby got whooping cough. Just put some raspberries on his forehead. I learned that from Rafiki.
Shout out to that nigga Rafiki out here, B. No big
Voiced by Benson. Robert.
Gruyere.
Yeah, is that type of cheese, right?
Gruyere.
Not Gruyere. He's the voice of Benson. Robert.
Gouda? I don't know.
Gouda. Gouda. Just every cheese.
I don't even know.
He died recently.
Robert Monterey Jack.
A lot of Monterey Jack references in here. Oh, man. Oof.
Yeah.
Robert Goulier. He was dead at 89. He died in October 24, 2017. Shout out. Pour up. Pour
one out for my man. His time ran out.
Yo. Bust one in the air for him. There you go.
Yo, shit.
There you go.
Yo, my God. Oh, man. What's going on? People, you know what's crazy? People always like, yo.
Crazy problem like her.
Oh,
able to slay.
Was wild.
What's wild? You know what? Was wild. And I say
this
this because I know like people say like, thank you for pointing out that crazy ableist slur. Nike did a whole campaign with women athletes, and they were just like, yo, this is crazy. It's crazy if you want to be a boxer. It's crazy that Serena did it. I was like, yo, fam, stop saying that fuck. Like, it's crazy y'all still using that shit. Like, it's one of those words that you don't even realize. Like, it's like, if you got like mental health issues, you don't want to just hear niggas be like crazy.
You crazy. This nigga's crazy.
If you want to see something wild, go on like your iTunes or go on Spotify and just search the word crazy and how many songs have crazy in the title. Because people associate crazy like, oh, I'm crazy in love.
Oh, crazy in love.
That
was the first song I thought of too. Yeah.
They don't think about it like that nigga talking to himself on the F train and shit.
Like rocking back and forth and shit.
Or just having wild anxiety and shit. Can't answer text messages. That's our mental health awareness moments.
Ding.
For we here.
The more you
Boys.
know. You know what I'm saying?
Do 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 do. We gotta have like a blunt fly over us. The more you be knowing and shit.
Yeah,
No, it's like niggas was deep.
Niggas was deep right
Niggas
now.
was deep.
Bang, hold that.
Should we open up an animation budget? Listen, I
Say
fear,
the word.
I fear for this show because this shit by the end of the year is gonna be a full production with a call sheet, 3 cameramen. There's gonna be fucking makeup and pickups, gaff tape everywhere.
Stage manager.
I can't bring Mac because he's not union. No, he's actually union, but he's fighting with Victor about his day rate.
Yo, no.
I made you.
He's like,
And I can unmake you, man.
Nigga said, I made you. Why would I play you?
Just be talking, be like, yo, give it up for a special performance by Arab Music. And he's just behind there like,
we just saying here like,
oh, I mean,
Pickups.
Oh shit.
oh shit, play this shit.
I don't know what that was, but that shit was banging.
Nigga, that sound like a rave in a bodega.
It do. He's like, yo, Poppy, let me. He's like, hold on, wait for the bass to drop.
That was in a drum roll, nigga. That was an AK going off.
Yeah, that's what Poppy's like, yo, you ever listen to my music? He's like, what?
What?
Yo, Poppy, this shit slap.
This shit is fire, nigga. I don't mean literal fire. I mean like
He's like,
very
no, we
good.
set people. We used to set shit on fire. This shit's real. Shit's real. Nah, I think because every bodega owner got wild war stories, and I just think half of them just be making shit up. Because I'm just like, you really didn't have that same energy when them 5 kids was throwing pennies over the counter at you. But you mean to tell me you were a general and like a Somali warlord? Shit ain't adding up, Aki.
I don't know about that.
I don't know about
I
that.
don't know about all that.
Okay.
The Dominican niggas are the worst because they go back to the they stunt mad hard and then they just take one picture and bring it back and put it on the window in the bodega.
Yeah.
So it'll be like my man who's wild broke sitting on top of a 5 Series with like 2 kilos of coke.
Yeah.
And like Prada shades and like a gun and shit.
Back when
and
I was
like,
getting it.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, I'm out here doing it, nigga, with the Abercrombie V-neck. It's out here. Like, if you're not doing that like that, nigga, my bacon nigga cheese ain't even up to par. Stop playing.
Jamaican niggas like to take pictures in like the Steve Harvey suit, but like leaning on like a Photoshop stack of money that's like not. It wasn't like made in aspect ratio, so the money is like,
like
kind of
warped.
blurry. Looks like a bitmap was like photoshopped into a JPEG. Or they'll just Photoshop themselves into like a random mansion they found on Google Earth.
They got mad Minecraft bucks.
And I see that shit and I'm like, oh, I'm definitely coming to this party.
Oh, this shit is about
It'd be
to
a house
lit.
party and then still charging admission. You're like, what kind of shit is
what?
this?
Oh, this nigga walking up a fake staircase?
Like,
I'm in there, bro.
$10, you're gonna come through the front door. 5 for the back.
You walk in and bump into each other.
Yeah, like, oh shit. They're like, fat girls free. I was like, I'll be there. I'll be there.
I'm in there. That shit reminds me of an Atlanta orgy that was like was a hoax, or was it?
It was a real thing.
It was the perfect crime.
It was a real thing.
I salute you.
It was a real thing, but then you saw the people who was excited about going. You were like, nah, not so much. Not so much. It looked kind of like a black comic book convention. I was like, nah.
Yeah.
Yo, but I don't want to go with mad niggas gonna be talking about Funko Pops and shit.
Yeah.
Like, yo,
Good. Yeah.
yo, you got the new Migos Funko doll?
Yeah, no, I don't. I came in to get my dick sucked.
Let me ask you something. Is there somewhere we can leave our retainers? Like,
yeah, there's a bucket in the front. It's disgusting.
I feel like
I'm
they
like,
should have known, though.
I was like, wait, none of y'all niggas y'all all use natural deodorant? They're like, yeah. I was like, yo, crack a window in here. They're like, nah, keep the funk in here.
Whenever Showtime or HBO does that like sex documentary type shit, you see swingers, they're all 50.
No, that is not true. That is not true. Because, you know, back in Jesus' dirty days, when I provided security for a sex party that was at an undisclosed location on 42nd Street. My nigga. 42nd Street. Okay, that shit was not on some hole in the wall shit. This shit was on 42nd Street on the east side. I don't want to get killed, but, you know, definitely there was clearly for some shit like that to go on. Someone has to know somebody somewhere and be like, yo, don't come to this spot.
Anthony Winters in there. Elliot Spencer was in there getting the wild yapper.
But niggas had like bracelets to say what you was into.
Oh.
Because you paid in advance.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Single guys paid more, but you had to be vouched for. And then there was just entertainment, and there was lots of talent there, if you know what I'm saying. And there was niggas there. Niggas was fucking in the middle of the aisle. There was like a room full of pizzas. I was like, I wouldn't eat pizza in a sex party, but you know, you do what you do.
Niggas got that weird Papa John's pizza with the white shit squirting on top. Like, nah, I'm good on that one.
It was cool. And then like I was talking to one of the girls, and she was like, I gotta get out of here and get my kid. And I was like, damn.
Wow.
But you know, shit is what it is. Shit is what it is. Let's like people have sex. What do you want?
What do you want, B?
What do you want? They had like a table.
Sleep sheet. Fuck.
They had a table. It had like lube, poppers, and condoms.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
you know, shit
fully stocked.
Listen, niggas was paying like
that's a continental breakfast of smashing.
Niggas was paying $200 a head to get in. So. Listen, was no broke boys in that shit. I'll tell you that much. And everybody, niggas was there with their wives and their hot ass girlfriends and shit. I was like, yo, y'all some nasty niggas. Nasty niggas. And I was like, when y'all pay me, there better not be no lube on my $100 bill.
Yo. Like, nah, that's not lube, nigga.
Ew. Niggas just folded and snorted like Black Monday. Yeah. Shout out to Don Cheadle.
You know what I'm saying? The God.
We interviewed him.
You know
They cut out why he said he has a cuckold porn cover. So now everyone thinks
Don Cheadle has a cuckold porn cover.
I know niggas at Black was like, we got to get on that. Yo, he's doing a Hotel Rwanda that you guys are not ready for.
Yo, imagine porno stars got like celebrity people.
I need safety. This she's like a white tourist and like the war breaks out and she needs safety at Hotel Rwanda. She's like, I have no money. And Don Cheadle's like, I know how you can pay.
I know how you can pay.
Fam, as long as he does it in those baby blue Timbs.
Yeah. You got to do it in baby blue Timbs.
I'll pay for admission twice.
You do the Prince Joshua.
Do it, Don.
No, it's him and Marshall Ali. Yeah.
Niggas Mahershala.
Sorry, I went to school with Francesa. Where's the Green Book porn parody?
No, they need to have actual celebrities doing Pinot, like Bradley Cooper doing Pinot, like
Bradley Cooper and the Stars Born porn parody.
Not even parody, just have them smashing. Like,
that's just
like a. So
you just want more sex scenes in movies,
like separate.
Oh, okay.
Like DLC. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I thought you said DL Hughley, but DLC, downloadable content.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, though, like the sex scene, and I guess the sex scene in Green Book would be the guy sucking the other guy off in the pool. But then you could have the Italian guy having the wild yappy while eating pizza.
You know what I'm saying? Shorty in the dirty ass apartment.
Like, her back blown out in the back of the car and shit. They can stick fried chicken in there. Like, oh, take that, you nasty bitch. Yeah. Oh, wow. The wife getting plugged by two black guys because he's on the road. I miss my husband.
The Black Book.
I've never seen a black cock. Vintage black.
Yo, because they got the black raw now.
They got black raw.
They got black.
So you gotta take it with vintage black.
Vintage black, nigga. Yo,
they go eat at a fucking Woolworth lunch counter and just drop his dick on his top like.
I'm dropping dick off. Just have Malcolm X just smashing the reverse gangbang. Yo,
ma'am, you have to move to the back of the bus, or else what?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'll tell you what.
They can start opening the fucking jacket and shit. Like this is not appropriate.
No.
And you know what? They will launch that February 1st. They'll be like, Happy Black History Month. That'd be the tweet, and all the black people are like, yo, you serious?
Yo, your niggas dead ass?
I'd be like, this is outrageous. Y'all niggas.
Wow. Y'all niggas really gonna get Tracy Ellis Ross to play Rosa Parks? Right?
Why would y'all do this shit at 4K?
Wow. Wow, y'all really violating. Wow.
Black vintage. Shoot-a-dee-doo. If that gets made, I'm sorry. We apologize. I'm sorry. We apologize. We apologize to black people in porn.
You know what I'm saying? All that. Yeah, sex workers, everybody, black people, sex workers,
Listen,
black sex workers, sex workers that are black. You know what I'm saying? Sex workers, period.
Sex workers that don't turn the lights on and only have sex in the black.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Sex workers that only wear black to work.
Sex workers that had sex with Aloe Black.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't wake me up till. He keeps his hat on.
Yo, fam, is that dude still eating off of that fucking, like, what was that?
When you make Kia car commercial music, you eating forever. Yo, shouts to Aloe.
He was like, yeah, talk that talk. Mero.
He's named after moisturizer.
Yeah, okay, yeah, he's staying moist.
Which Sherry knows nothing about. Love you, Sherry. Nah, when you listen, this song, when he made this song, he was in the studio like, yo, rubbing the fist. He was like, yo, they gotta use this on every fucking commercial. Come on, man, listen to this shit.
Oh yeah.
You could use this for car commercials. You could use this for troops return their home from fucking war.
State Farm.
Your car insurance.
Fuck that.
For vaccinating your baby.
Folgers.
America work together. You have like a black guy and a white guy working together, make a treehouse for a disabled kid.
Budweiser, nigga, horse just break down and shit. The cowboy lean down and kiss him on the mouth and shit.
You saw like a single mother. She's up late studying nursing and she's looking over at her baby sleeping. But she gotta go one more hour because it's worth it, damn it. Because it's for the kid.
She just goes like this. She nods out a little bit. She's like
no. Fixing her glasses to get back to it. And the next scene is her graduating. You know what it is.
Just holding the diploma mad high in the air. Like,
even the video itself is showing like migrants walking into America. What is this? Shit has 22 million views though.
God damn.
We just gotta make the wild sappy song.
Yeah, that's it.
What's a upcoming emergency they're gonna need a theme song for?
The 2020 election, maybe? No, that's not.
Is measles coming back?
That could be.
Yeah, we got to make an anti-measles song.
Yeah.
But it can't be too pro-vaccination.
Nah,
it has to be like Van Jones, kind of tepid in the middle of the road.
Like,
you saw him yesterday?
Right on the fence.
Nah, I make it a point to not really.
I believe. What was that? What was that? Amanda Seals clip?
Get this nigger out of here!
All right. Your man was wild. Your man said the GOP has done more for criminal justice than any other party. He was talking at CPAC. Your man has constantly. He's the one that said Donald Trump finally became presidential. He's constantly been on the wrong side.
And shout out to Megan Amram for tweeting that like literally every day.
Every day, yeah. Nah, I think Van Jones might be a Russian bot. I'm sorry. Van Jones is an industry plant. I threw it out there. I'm sorry. We gave him a chance, but nah, man, nah. I called Chief and he was like, boo, boo, boo. This ain't it.
This is not.
This ain't it.
This is not it.
It's episode 149, named after the greatest street in the greatest city of the world.
49th Street bound 4 train. The next stop is Mosholu Parkway.
That's right.
Mosholu, not Mosholu.
This is
Let's go up the block,
Parkway.
go to Gun Hill, nigga.
This is a 149th Street bound 4 train.
That's how we know we made it, when the MTA lets us re-record all the fucking train stops.
Yeah.
Niggas miss their train stops because we doing the AKAs before them. Like, yo, what's up, your boy Desus Nice?
Yeah.
Kid Mero over here, Bodega Boys in the building for your favorite late night show, Showtime. Desus Mero on Showtime, available on demand and on the app. And do 149 Street.
Yeah, peace.
Doors closed. Shit, niggas just like, ding ding. Like, the next stop is what's up? It's your boy Desus Nice. This is Kid Mero, whatever. Bodega Boys, Showtime, late at night, best show on late night. You know what it is. Oh shit! Next stop is Eli Avenue.
Yo, man, eating. Yo, get off.
Niggas get mad high in the booth and shit. Be like, oh, I'm just mispronouncing. I'm like Hoy and
shit.
Hoy and
Schemer. Scumma.
Niggas start talking on the mic on some Hoy. Yo, remember that time fucking Andy Pettit almost had a perfect game?
Yo, that was wild.
That was wild. That was close.
Like yo, you seen the flick of him and Cece? And then he was like, Cece was like, yo, teacher, student. That was mad.
That was mad. Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. Oh shit, this is Times Square. Nigga.
Oh shit, my bad. Yo, Times Square, everybody get the fuck off, yo. If you
Van Torres trying to run with bags and shit like that.
Yeah.
Doink it. It means something smart.
Yo, if you need to transfer, just look at the signs and shit. All right, peace.
Listen, Bodega Boys, because we care about you and we know a lot of y'all travel to New York every now and then, we want to give you a piece of advice for when you travel to New York. If you are a tourist and you ride the subway, you miss your stop, what you need to do, and this is the most important thing, there's a little box in the front of the car. It says emergency brake.
Yes.
Lift that. Pull it. And then you tell everyone in the train car, sorry, I missed my stop. New Yorkers are very helpful, and they will explain to you how you can get to the next stop.
Yeah.
By going, fuck yourself.
Yeah.
Yo, did he really just pull the fucking emergency brake?
Yo, this nigga pulled the fucking brake. I'm about to fuck this nigga. Fuck that.
Yo,
fuck that.
Is this nigga serious?
Now fuck that.
Actually, if you just reach for the emergency brake on the train, niggas be like, oh,
yo, my man. Yo, what the fuck you doing, my nigga? Yo, son.
You reach for the emergency brake, everyone on the train reacts the way they see, you see like a coffin tip at a funeral. It's like, oh no.
You turn around to a white dude next to you like, yo, I'm about to chop this nigga. White dude's like, I mean, I can't.
I get it.
Can't say I disagree.
I get the sentiment.
I get it. I totally get it.
Or he's like one of those New Yorker old school white guys. He's like, I used to chop guys back in the 50s.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, me and Bernie Getz.
Yeah. We were in a gang on the Lower East Side, Hofstra Projects. We were called the Jew Bangers.
Yeah.
We used to walk around with ball hammers.
That's right.
Back in the day, they used to use weird. They used to use very weird weapons,
bruh.
Yeah,
my pops had some weird.
We were the
shit.
Rolling Thunders. We used to beat niggas to death with penny loafers.
Yeah. How about that, huh?
How about that?
Yeah, we were the Morris Park Mayhem. We used to beat motherfuckers with Strombolis
every day. Put an egg soda in a sock and beat you down to death.
Like what? Like, yo, why'd you beat me to death with a Manhattan special, my nigga?
Oh. Hey, we were the Woodlawn Boys. So what we do, we get a bunch of shamrocks, right? And we'd freeze them and then we throw them at people.
Yeah.
Y'all just have free time back then?
It was like Ninja Stars.
You don't mess with the Shamrock Boys.
Yeah, nah.
Beat the gosh and Bagora off you.
Man, I'll beat rainbows out of your ass.
Yeah, right? And this is back when rainbows, were a cool thing. Not, what happened to them. Yeah.
They got reappropriated by,
they took them.
The Smolletts out there.
Wow. Wow. This is how you know the brand is out of control, because now we are inventing racial and sexual slurs. Wow. This nigga said the Smolletts.
Yo, Sherry's like,
shut up, my nigga, shut
up. That does sound like a slur from back in the day.
Look at this goddamn Smollett.
It's a bunch of Smolletts here.
I feel like the back in the day slurs also used to like make you think.
Yeah.
Like, the first time I heard moon crickets, I was like, let me digest this.
It was, listen.
And I was like, oh, that's terrible.
They weren't, it was like how back in the day songs, like there was innuendo. They were like, yo, say pull up to my bumper, baby. It's like, it's like my bump, where my bumper is. But now they just like, yo, get these niggas out of here. It's like, okay. All right. Okay. No nuance there.
All right, cool.
Well, I heard 21 Savage, his hook was call my chopper KKK because he hates niggas.
I was like, all right.
I was like, no one's gonna say anything about this. Like they made a big deal about him saying get Jewish lawyer money. This is the fucking hook.
Call it KKK.
That's all I'm saying.
Yo, but when niggas had the range on, that system was bumping, boy.
Listen, a little misogyny, a little gunplay. Listen, I'm a hypocrite. What do you want?
Yeah, what do you want?
What do you want?
We're flawed. We're flawed individuals.
We're flawed individuals. That's also a number one sign of people who gaslight you. They admit their flaws before you can, and then they play on your sympathy. Yeah.
Gaslight boys, we out here.
Damn, Ma, if I'm such a bad person, why don't you just leave me?
Yeah.
The way everyone else in my life has.
Yeah.
See how I did that?
Flipped it on him.
Listen, you can't change the player's game in the ninth inning. The Gaslight Boys, yeah. You sure she's the crazy one? Maybe it's you.
She do nothing. You the one calling and leaving messages and shit.
That's funny. You say I have an attitude, but the only person I see with an attitude right now is you.
You talking about, lower your voice. My voice is at an indoor register. You the one that's screaming at the neighbors is knocking down on the floor with the broom.
This is triggering.
What do you mean? What do you mean I'm texting different? How do you detect a tone through text?
Desist. No mas. No mas. No mas.
The Gaslight Boys. Don't light a match around us.
Because then you get a motherfucker in.
There are women listening to this right now and not laughing.
At all. They're like, oh, word?
Oh, word?
Oh, you.
They definitely saying my government name. Oh, that's how you feel? Daniel? Which I can say now because you can see my name is Daniel Baker. You can see at the end of the show where it says executive producer.
Yeah. Stupid.
Right? So
likewise.
Take that, Miss Gonzalez, my fourth grade teacher, who said I wouldn't amount to shit.
Oh.
Actually, my 4th grade teacher would never say anything like that. She was very caring in nursing.
Yeah, shout to
Miss Lee.
Shout to Mr. Friedman. You know what I'm saying? For guiding me on the right path.
The only teacher that did that was Rick Ross' teacher. And now that I met Rick Ross, he's clearly lying. Like, what teacher's gonna be like, you're gonna be a piece of shit? They just be like, Clarence, get out the room.
Clarence, go, get out. You're disrupting the class.
A teacher gonna be like, yo, you piece of shit. Like
I've never had a teacher tell me I'm gonna be.
If you're at that point, that means you're burned out, and they just put you in the rubber room for the teachers that are burned out.
Facts.
If anything, I think the worst thing any of my teachers did was they used to gas us up, and they were like, yo, you're gonna be something. You're gonna make a difference in the world one day. Because I mean, I did. I don't know about the rest of y'all niggas.
Y'all niggas.
I'm talking specifically to all my niggas from 181.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Like, my nigga Gareth, though, he made it.
Yeah.
Shout out to my man Gareth. He has a baby on the way. He is the only one of my friends that successfully has gotten married and procreated with a girl that was not a bum. So, shout out to you. I went to his wedding. Shit was litty to titty.
You know what I'm saying?
I talk about it all the time. Went there with the Tesla. Ooh. Good times. So, congrats to you. Sadly, your child is going to be a Nets fan. And I say that as a Knicks fan.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Shout out to Knicks fans talking shit about anybody. Anybody.
Oh, so you're officially a Nets fan now?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No.
I was about to say, I was like, God damn. When I see this shit on Twitter, I was like, these vicious rumors cannot be true.
Nigga. Am I a Knicks fan?
To this day!
You know what this shit is? Nigga, we told Charles Oakley told us to stop being Knicks fans. And we was like, nah, nigga.
Nah.
This ain't no fucking, this is a gang, nigga. You can't walk in and walk off for shit.
This
is
blood
for
in,
life.
blood out. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, man, nigga. Like
my last dying breath is gonna be, did they cover the spread?
Did they go? Did they won? Fuck.
All right.
And Jay-Z was wrong when he said moral victories is for minor league coaches.
Yeah, mind your business, hove.
You take care of your family.
You don't know about this Knicks shit.
Yeah, and give up on the J. Cole dreads, my nigga. It's not a good look for you.
Yeah, people. Okay, let me play you a song that I'm walking my daughter down the aisle to.
Yeah.
This is Baby Shark for Knicks fans, nigga. There's white people and black people jamming right there. I gotta get there fast as I can.
Hey,
come get there.
Friday night Knicks, I'm a fan. I gotta get there and see if they cover the spread. Cause I put my Knicks on MSG and front row seats, jamming just to get there. But I hope they don't lose. Hope they don't lose by 20. Hope they don't lose by 20 because I'll lose 20 G's. Boom.
Bro, if I'm in the club, I'm praying that the IO digital cable reggaeton comes on after that.
Oh, yeah. So that song comes on, and you know what I'm saying? I got my hot wings, got my nachos. Do the SpongeBob thing again. 14 minutes later shit.
14 minutes later.
Beal sprinting from the backcourt, gets the screen from Bryant. 2 to shoot, back to Bryant, leading in, blocked by Trio. Oh. And they're going to call a foul. No. Goaltending. It'll be goaltending. They call a foul. They will review it.
Goaltending. I believe it was goaltending.
And the Knicks lost on a goaltending call 101 to 100 in London. Nick life, baby. Catch spirit.
Yo, pass me that.
It's just mad time. But I mean, if anything, it makes our journey more interesting.
You know what I'm saying?
The fact that we know this team is bad and we still you know what, even being a Knicks fan, I just find being a fan of any other team swaggerless. I don't get it.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Fam.
Oh, okay. You like having good players and like winning?
Okay, that's cool.
That's cool.
You still live in Milwaukee.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
guess what? When you leave your arena, can you go 1 block away and shop at Kmart?
No.
Nah.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah.
Can you buy pretzel from an opioid addicted person on the street?
You can't.
No.
You want to buy a shirt you can wear once and maybe the buttons pop off and you know what? You go back to H&M and they'll be like, no, sir, you can't return this?
No.
Okay.
Fuck out of here.
Get out of here.
Greatest franchise in the history of the NBA.
You want to
know
go
what I'm
across the street, go to Macy's and get basically assaulted by people in the cologne department? Yeah.
Yo, that motherfucker's beyond.
I'm just trying to get to the escalator.
Do you have any allergies? Would you like to try some Sauvage?
Hey, you want to smell like Usher? Yeah. Stop. My eyes burning.
Did you just mace me, nigga? Damn.
Also, what about my appearance makes me look like I want to smell like Usher?
That you rolled into Macy's on Heelys?
Like, they call me U.S.
H-E-R-P-E-S.
Nasty.
Yeah.
Expose him.
Yes.
Expose him.
Yes.
Someone told me herpes is cool now because why young boy NBA or some shit? NBA young boy. He has herpes. And his girlfriend has herpes as well.
So they're just like trading herpes?
I got the herp.
Back and forth?
So that's all. I got the herp and you got the herp. And Vic got the herp and he got the herp. Hasan got the herp. Vic got the herp.
Hey.
I have neither HSV1 or HSV2. My primary care physician finds it remarkable.
Wow.
Shouts to you, PCP.
Wow. No, I went to my doctor. He said I have a
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
I'm over here with diverticulosis and shit, high blood pressure and shit.
No, my doctor said I have.
Like I'm in great health.
My doctor said I have a H-1B visa, so I can go to other countries and work in technology. That was a high level joke.
That's right.
That was a high level joke, and if you got it, congratulations.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Talk about all these other podcasts are great. Where you go get a fucking visa joke at?
You know what I'm saying?
Huh? That's for all my people working in an immigration office.
Right after fucking whatever the fuck he said joke.
It was a herpes virus.
Yeah, exactly. There you go. Boom.
Yeah.
He used a scientific term for that shit.
Narrator's voice. Mero clearly had never been tested for herpes. He's like, what?
What?
Mero, you gave me herpes. You thought?
I mean, listen, yo, I mean, like, if
you got enough money now, you could just like buy. If you give someone herpes, you could just buy them a bag.
Yeah,
you could buy them like a Louis Vuitton bag.
Can't you just freeze herpes off anyway? You can just like freeze them off.
Nah, the only cure I think is like egg drop soup or some shit.
Oh, sure.
So,
yeah. With the hot sauce packet in it. Yeah.
It got to be in the same tub that they serve the iced tea in. If you get it from it's the stab. You gotta have the stab in the top with the straw that can't fit in the stab. If you get it from a Chinese food spot or Chinese takeaway, as they say in Peckham, you gotta get it from one that has bulletproof glass.
Thanks. And when you order the food, they mad angry at you and shit.
If you get herpes, all you need is a 1 week regimen of emergency, Vicks Vapor Rub, and egg drop soup.
That's it.
Cure anything.
You know what I'm saying?
Cure pregnancy.
You feel me?
Rub Vic Vapor Rub on your stomach if you're pregnant. If you don't want it,
you gotta stuff your nose with that hot and sour. You know what I'm saying?
All right, relax. I don't know if that's available over the counter. Now we go to this. That's hot and sour is hood opium. Opioids.
Schedule 1. Schedule 1 narcotic.
I gotta see a script. I gotta check the database, see if you're already getting hot.
Can I have your ID and your script, please?
I'm sorry, you've had too much hot and sour for the month.
Date of birth, social.
Niggas making meth with hot and sour.
Woo! Goddamn.
Oh man. You made an opioid joke. Wow.
Oh man. That's what
opioids aren't funny. You know what? It was funny though when that fucking dopehead Rush Limbaugh was hooked on them.
Oh,
remember that?
Yeah, you fat bastard, and I'm a body shame. I don't give a fuck. I'm a fat nigga too. What's up?
You were stuck on
you know what I'm saying?
Heroin hillbilly.
Yeah, you fucking clown.
Called us dumb.
You go, oh, you dumb. You know what? Suck my dick, nigga. Suck my whole dick. That's how we do it in the Bronx. You know what I'm saying? You call me dumb, I tell you suck my whole dick and go find your grandmother in whatever cemetery she's buried in, dig up her corpse and go fuck her. Stupid. Suck my dick, nigga. What's up? Pull up. Snuff the shit out of you, nigga.
See, the problem is if you say something like he's so litigious, he might actually he might sue you for terroristic threats. So that nigga don't even run a show anymore. He recorded out his mother's basement.
Yeah, he's thirsty.
He's the white DJ Academics. Fuck out of here, nigga. That's right, Spicy Boys is back.
Yeah.
The Gaslight Boys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Get it, sir. Go. Get with Steve.
Did Rush Limbaugh really take shots?
Yes.
Yeah.
When? When did
Last
this happen?
week when the AOC interview.
Yep.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What?
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna...
What?
I'm gonna
That's right. Open a cold one. Pour it out on him.
I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be Tommy Alter for one day, and I feel like I'm gonna book him on Dennis Miller's podcast just to get you super extra tight.
Oh wow. Dennis Miller.
Dennis Miller is so washed. Yo, I have never seen anybody fail so badly at describing a football game as Dennis Miller.
He should have never been in there.
He should have never been in there, bro. Never.
He's like, that offside kick, it went left like the blinking taillights they recorded in the 1987 Pontiac Aztecs.
right, Chris? Right, Chris Collinsworth? He's like, I don't know what the hell you're talking about. This is a football game.
Eli Manning throws like the professor on head of the class. Everyone was like, what the fuck is this? Oh, man.
I gotta Google this shit.
Oh, man.
And even worse, kids, there was no Google when he was doing this.
No.
It was awful.
No.
Awful.
Terrible. That man gotta go somewhere. Well, I mean, he did go somewhere. He went away.
He went away, but now he's just doing bad jokes on
God. On Twitter?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Doing worse than fucking Mike Huckabee.
Yo, how about Roseanne jumping out the window?
Oh, fuck her.
Yeah, right?
She had the wild Bobby Brown jaw.
Yeah,
so.
she was skied up. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Hollywood niggas stop getting skied up and going on Instagram, bro.
Like, you get skied up and just go watch in your like movie room, enjoy that. No, they won't get on there because she said that AOC had like bug eyes or whatever.
Yeah.
And shout out to I was the first person to show AOC that video because she was on our show that day.
Yeah.
And shout out to AOC, she was on some like fuck her. She was like, that's unfortunate.
Yeah, that's regular.
I was like, oh, look at the growth. Because I'd have been like, fuck that bitch.
Yeah. Straight up, FDB.
They would have been like, what?
You know what I'm saying?
I'd be like, yo.
She's like, yo, that's every day, B. You know what I'm saying? When you're on top. Oh shit. Oh, who is? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What's that?
Bug out! Bug out! He's here! He's here! Bug out! Oh my God! Oh my! Is that that's Undertaker?
That's Undertaker.
That's Undertaker.
My God, that's the Undertaker.
Bug out!
That's Undertaker.
Bug out! Oh my God!
Is he with Paul Bearer?
Oh yes, it's me.
You know how scary the song was when you were younger? Just to come on, you're like,
yes, yeah.
What's this be like? Turn on the light.
And the intro before, and Paul Bearer's like, oh, tonight the Undertaker will take on Hulk Hogan for the heavyweight title.
Oh man,
there might be a corpse in the ring. I'm like, yo, how you a human doing anime sweats?
Oh my God. Oh.
Yeah, son, shit is wild, man.
Listen, nothing was worse than. Sorry. Nothing was. Sorry, I accidentally got on a flight to Ibiza.
Ibiza.
That's like when TSA opens your luggage, you got Mad Molly. You're like,
shit.
Nothing. Remember this from your childhood?
God, what a revolting development.
Yeah.
And what a switch.
Oh, shit.
I just learned 2 and 2 together. Like, Tales from the Crypt was the original Sex in the City because it was just mad puns. It's the same show. It's literally the same show.
And they favor each other a little bit.
Woo! You know I can't allow you to talk shit about Sex in the City. The Sex in the City killings.
Yeah.
If Mero was talking shit about my favorite show, what else was he talking shit about?
I wonder.
I had to meet with 3 of my closest friends. So it's me, Charlemagne, DJ Envy, and Little Ma.
Yo. Oh shit, shut the little mama.
Little Ma. She's still going by Little Mama?
I hope. I mean,
she a big mama now.
I hope so. I'm like, yo, because that's the most record name of this shit you gonna get.
Yeah.
It's too late to change it up now.
Remember Bow Wow?
Yeah.
I only call him Bow Wow because we disrespectfully know him as Bow Wow.
Yeah.
Chad. But yeah, remember he's like, I'm not little anymore. I'm not little Bow Wow. I'm just Bow Wow.
I'm like, fam, you walked in this room. Everybody in this room is taller than you, including my child.
You can't be a grown man and call yourself Bow Wow. Ain't no nigga in jail talking about nigga Bow Wow. So
yeah, nigga, what's up?
They got a pound puppy tattoo on his ass.
It's the droopy nigga shit.
You gotta make treats for your cellmate out of like fucking toilet paper. Nigga melt down mad fucking coffee lids using hot water to make a fucking Kong. Yeah. You want that? Imagine you in jail when a nigga come into someone be like, from now on, you my pet dog.
Oh,
nigga make a leash for you out of underwear and shit.
Okay.
They could potty train you and shit. Like you can't use the toilet no more.
You got to shit on the little pad right there.
Smacking you on your nose, and then you
rubbing your nose in the shit, like when you poop like off the pad.
Oh shit! Don't go to jail, kids.
Yo, don't.
Because then you write a letter to your girl like,
I hate it here. I want to go home.
That scares straight little niggas,
motherfucker.
See, they tell little kids, the wrong thing when they're like, yo, don't go to jail. Like big niggas. It's not about big niggas gonna beat you up and shit. It's like, yo, do you want 30 niggas to watch you masturbate?
Facts.
You are gonna have to slash a nigga because he took a picture of he took the picture of your sister and jerked off wild nilly to it in the shower and give back to you wet? You want that kind of disrespect?
You want a motherfucker light your cigarettes with their batteries?
You gotta stab a nigga because he took your coffee cup?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's the options.
You
That's what we doing.
Oh, you sat in the wrong chair? Your liver's damaged permanently. You know what I'm saying?
Oh. Skip shit out of me.
I was like, what shit was that?
It's like when you're on a plane watching a movie and they interrupt for an announcement. It's like always the best part. And they're like, so the real baby's father is. We're now at taxiing at 40,000 feet. If you look to the left side of the plane, you should see some clouds and shit. Thanks for flying Bodega Boys Airlines.
Yeah, there was absolutely no reason for this message other than to interrupt you.
I just reminded you, this is your Captain Desus Nice. The co-captains for today is Kid Mero here. I'd just like to thank the flight attendants, first stewardess Yesenia. She provided the treats.
Thank you everybody. Yes, I'm in the cockpit because you know what I'm saying, because I got it like that. So y'all can suck my dick.
And second mate P.O. He's in the back.
And I ain't no fucking baby, okay? I pay full fare to go on this plane. I'm no fucking baby, a fucking man, okay? You look at my dad. Would you like a hot towel?
Thank you for flying Bodega Boys Airlines. Just a reminder, those of you in first class, please put your seatbelts back on. If you are in regular steerage, just hang on tight. Pieces of garbage.
Peace out, you coachy motherfuckers.
We're going to make an airplane just stand like you're on the train and shit.
Niggas are strap flyers.
Yeah, we're headed turbulence, so you motherfuckers want to hold on to something. They're like, I like it because there's no luggage limit. So I'm like, yo, you can bring as much fucking luggage as you want.
Yeah.
Bring as much luggage and fight with the next person. Niggas got live chickens on there.
Yeah, coach look like Snowpiercer.
We only go to places we've been, so we go to like DR, Florida, and Jamaica. I'm like, yeah, we got one flight to Vermont. I don't know why. They're like, this is the #1 airline of drug traffickers. I was like, I find that hard to believe.
I don't understand.
All right, our next flight is stopping in DR, then Jamaica, then Miami. By the way, this 757 plane is made entirely of cocaine.
Yes, we are doing a quick layover in Colombia to refuel.
I'm like, yo, this shit only got enough gas to like, we just get really high and then we just coast down. The rest of the fuel tank is just straight coke. Niggas open the fucking seats, it's coke. The masks that drop down have coke in them. Niggas open the actual Coca-Cola, there's coke.
Niggas don't want to get out of the plane and shit.
Niggas like, where's the first class food? I was like, it's no first class food, it's coke. It's coke. You knew what that shit was.
Fuck, bro.
Hold on. I got some fucking cough drops in my thing, and I think. Listen, Mero got those little dinosaur McNugget shits.
Oh yeah, they're frozen, but like, yo, here, take them. You can chew them.
Oh my fucking
god! You got the wild Coke drawer.
What do you mean you have a dietary? Hold on, give me a second, Mero. It's Judy. She wants a kosher meal. Fuck.
Oh, she wants a kosher meal?
Yeah, she wants a kosher.
Yeah.
Nah, I see that look in your eye.
Yeah. Here's some shrimp with cheese sauce.
It's Mero and Judy.
Yo, I posted a picture of fucking Sally yesterday and niggas, the Bodega Princess, yesterday, and fucking Amari, the goon, was in the back climbing up the stairs, and motherfuckers was like, yo, is that Judy? I'm like, fam, you think my 3-year-old is as big as my mother-in-law?
We don't know. It's like the perspective and shit. Was he wearing like Crocs?
He had a hoodie on and shit, like in like Tim. Fucking Mero the Third refuses to wear anything but Timbs. Like he will not wear nothing but Timbs. Like he's like, yo, I'm going to school, I'm wearing Timbs. He's like, yo, we're doing a recital, I'm wearing Timbs. He's like, yo, we got gym, I'm wearing Timbs. I'm like, yo, and okay. Like, yo, you got gym, you gotta wear sneakers. He's like, nah, I'm wearing Timbs.
All right, that's a little.
I'm like, yo, fam.
All right, Mero Jr., you're doing a lot there.
I'm like, next he's gonna be like, yo, I'm wearing Pellies in the summertime to the pool club.
You need to discourage that and just. I'm gonna buy Mero Jr. his first pair of Chelsea boots. I'll be like, you're a man now. Go to brunch.
Go to brunch. Brunch it up.
Brunch it up.
Order a Bellini.
Here's a shirt that says, I am not my grandfather. Catch these hands. Sincerely. Listen.
Yo.
You gotta have a little brunch there, you know what I'm saying? Little Chelsea boots for the kids.
I can't wait till I start seeing them shits on like Carter's and like the little children's place type joints.
Our new slogan.
Baby Chelsea boots.
Chelsea boots for the kids. Maybe it's like kids spot for brunch and shit.
Baby boot, baby boot, baby boot.
Niggas have unlimited mimosas without the alcohol.
It's just
basically juice.
Just mad oranges.
They still getting drunk like. Fuck you! I could run Paw Patrol, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of there.
Fuck that.
Fuck that rider, nigga. He's pussy.
That nigga said I'm not toilet trained. I potty trained. Like I go. If I gotta go, I go.
I'll go.
Why I gotta go in that white thing?
I know when I
Why
gotta
the toilet
go.
is black? You ever thought about that? Huh?
Think about that.
Yo. You ever thought about where the world goes when you cover your eyes?
Yo, that's
crazy.
Yo, when I put my hands on my eyes, do you ever do this shit? You put your hands on your eyes and then you just hear some like a weird noise and it's like peekaboo and then you're like, yo.
And you're like, yo, that's crazy.
That's wild.
Where does this guy come from? Where did the world go with my eyes recovered? Yo, you want an edible?
Yeah.
Niggas just popping mad Flintstones. Feel that shit kicking in, fam.
Yo, I feel mad minerals.
10 million strong.
Yo, and growing.
I remember I bought a bottle of Flintstone vitamins, ate them all in one day just because I could. Cause I'm an adult, I could do shit like that.
Yeah, that's right.
And then I got mad high and I read a story about like kidney stones and I drank mad water because I was like, fuck. I just fucked myself up. And my body was like, you don't know how this shit work at all, my nigga.
That shit got more fucking iron in it than a 64 Cadillac, nigga.
I'm like, who needs all this?
You could be shitting bowling balls like, for a week. Like,
this shit come out. Like, yo. Oh, shit. Yo, you taking too much vitamin shit. You be in the toilet, your fucking stool be sounding like. Oh, sorry. That's how you feel after you eat it. Oh.
He just dropped the wild Dublin, like, yo.
And it'd be like that stink extra dark dookie, like baby dookies.
Yeah, son.
He's like, oh shit, it's time to go.
Oh, I gotta go.
Shit be sounding like real hip hop. Like,
No, and that's when the shit is about to come out and it keeps going back in like.
That's when you're like, you're going out. It's like, they just breathe out and be mad stuck. Like,
oh shit.
That's an old school shit. What you youngsters know about that? Y'all be taking these new school mumble mouth shit.
Yeah, that mumble mouth shit. The shit just pour out your ass. Okay, you drinking too much Activist.
All these niggas taking those emasculated shits. Huh? Back in my day, man, took shits like shits.
You know what I'm saying?
When you took a shit with your boys.
You know what I mean?
Just in a cipher.
Held hands and shit.
You know what I mean?
Help your man with his suppository.
Go verse for verse. It wasn't unnatural for a crew from the Bronx to come help a nigga in the Brooklyn, hold his cheeks apart to take a shit.
You know what I mean? Unity, nigga. That was real hip hop.
Yo, these niggas been wild.
Sorry. Niggas listen to this shit right now like
relax. Definitely need to relax because oh man.
Shut the Michael Cole, keep stitching, my G.
Who? Michael Cohen? Oh yeah, he he's out here testifying on it.
Yeah.
It's not snitching though, because people like he's a rat. I mean, no, he's just like, nah, he's going to jail too.
Yeah.
He's just like, no, if I'm going to jail, we all going to jail. That's a different thing.
Fuck that.
Snitching is like, I'm trying to get my time reduced.
Yeah,
he's just trying to have homies in there.
Yeah, like, yo.
Like, you'll be mad, you'll be like, nigga, stab this nigga. I'll be like, really? Because we together.
Like, we here. I can slice the garlic extra thin. We
know
good.
what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? We good.
Come on. Like, why you show up every day at his cell like, you still mad?
Come on,
man.
Grow up.
Come on, bro. We cool. Like, please, come on, man. You really gonna get tight at me? I got us both locked up.
I never had a friend like you.
That's true.
I don't think I'll ever found another.
You know,
all the bad things that we've been through.
All the bad things.
Yeah,
It's so
like it's a
good we
rest.
It's so good we got each other.
They're stitching on me, yeah.
All right, let's go stab these Mexicans.
Yeah, let's go do it. Yeah, fuck like man.
Yo, it's been episode 149.
That's right, you cowards.
The Gaslight Boys. We were wildin'. It's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Yo Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like here we go. Chris that's for Sling Dick. Slow but that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take.
You know what I'm
DJ Fuego. Mr. Nando's with around the middle. Mr. Done that quarter in New York. McKell going off the Juve Boys. MC Luka Goompi. I know a lot of y'all look. Where's Mac? He's at home. If I carry him in my lap all the time, he's gonna get separation anxiety.
That's right.
Start peeing places weird. I got money. I don't got money like that.
You know what I'm saying?
Juve Boss, MC Luka Goompi pulling up for 40, which is shorty, and you on Instagram like, damn. That's my shorty.
That's my shorties.
Hey, you don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. They got a new thing in Ubers now. It's like an iPad in the back, and it shows banner ads while you're driving. Babylon Ting. The original my plus one guy plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Desus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Young Chakuni, Dr. Coonery, a.k.a. Chili Limon. Left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay.
Yeah.
You see Bryce Harper. 330 million, 13 years.
Oh, my God.
13 years I've been trying to get legal in these countries.
They're telling me no. You know, it's crazy.
It's crazy. I have families to feed. Some of them.
Oh, my God.
Not the ugly ones.
No, not they.
I have a son, you know. Not so much.
Yeah.
3 Phone Jones, Jesus Ex Machina, Jay Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bond label, dilute like Duke, Leonardo Trapio, Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot blurry. I don't like it in HD. I don't like it characterized properly. I like it in the wrong category. I like that it says cream pie and there's no cream pie.
Yeah, bro.
DJ Woolite, aka listening to Washed FM.
Yeah.
Up next, we got an up and coming rapper. I don't know if you guys have heard of him. His name is Mr. He's from 2009.
Ooh.
It's a little guy named Prince Ali.
Oh.
Where's he at? Where's he at? You heard this guy before?
Is this Chili?
Oh no. It's just our friend Mahershala from Green Book spitting at real lyrics. Your man can rap and racism. How you feel? If he dropped the album right now, like mad white people would buy it. I don't really understand it, but I just want to support.
I like it.
I just want to be an ally. The Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashman, the Bronx, Celine Dion.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Your nephew's nephew, the Marino you can't contain. The Human Mermaid, where it's a Ja, Young Aaron, the Racist Provocateur, Hedrick Budcoast, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffett, the Human World is melting in your mouth. Woo. Mr. Bex on Decade 10, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Sayers, Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi.
Yo,
you know what it is.
Yeah.
You know what it is. Oh, shit.
What is it?
Not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
Yeah, the juice of the press, but boy, it never is. I am the damn it, the Dundada Ganooch, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Echo, the Fashion Over, Cash Nova, where you made cents, 5, 10, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change, give me big money.
Wine needed.
Do people got coin? Do people have those big jugs anymore that you put coins in at the end of the day?
I
still got one. I guess most people don't have them. Like you go,
I think I got one in my basement. Yeah.
No one's here. Yeah, I mean, but people don't get change like that anymore? Because people use debit cards and shit.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Because the government wants to track you.
Yeah. They want to track you. They want to find out what you're doing.
Use real used currency, which just has traces of cocaine in it.
That's right.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left, man. Just Marv.
Yeah, don't cheese me, bro.
True Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Soft Palms, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D.
Woo!
David Ure, man. These expensive Desus red bottles, Desus blood, these shoes. Smokeem Noah, Andrew Coonan, and AJ, aka the Junior Energy God Jr. Come sit down, palm me charger.
Sit on it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip is Syosset. Shout out to the 11-11791.
To this day.
AKA Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. Your man's dead eye Desus. Morning, Sheriff.
Hey.
Mr. Shop in the street, these are the bad breezes like I'm Yeezy, please believe me. The black Asiatic addict who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marine, refresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. The sheet mask killer. No one could be illa, AKA, hey, your problematic bae is not a secret family if you don't support them.
To this day.
Up next, we got, you know who it is.
You already know who it is, boy. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Giraffe, aka Dab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Out here, you know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking Irish Wolfhound and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck, nigga. No, I don't even care if I hear those. You know what I'm saying? Aka I'm the fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. I'm coming into this club. Aka check the guest list again, nigga. I am the guest list. Fuck the guest list. I was a snowman, nigga, in Frozen, bro. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, Christian, yo, shoot this nigga, man.
Is there a sequel for Frozen?
I don't even know, but
we
I'm
should be in it.
Yeah, it's for sure.
What was Frozen about?
It was like ice and shit.
So we could be like two icicles.
Yeah.
Oh, we could be ice out icicles with Timberlands.
Yeah. Woo! We have chainsaws,
Right.
stupid.
Oh, let me not say that out loud before they reboot Frozen and don't use us like a certain New York Undercover did.
Oh, like a certain Lion King did.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm supposed to be I'm supposed to be JC's son. He's passing the throne to me.
That's right.
We're both black.
Come on.
He was supposed to be Michael DiLorenzo's son.
See what I'm saying? I'm revenging my father's death.
He died in a Amilly Rock concert. He died at a freestyle concert.
That's right. He died at a Stevie B concert.
Sad. Stevie B killed him. That's why he joined the force. It turns out Stevie B's been murdering people since the 80s.
Oh shit! I want to be the one that you asked.
That's the one. He sings that. He said, stabbing him while he sings that.
I want to be the one that murders your body.
Matt TT's like, I got stabbed by Stevie B as a dream.
But literally, not with his Puerto Rican cock.
He stabbed me in my lungs, and I'm getting cold. DT, wake up. DT, oh my God. Yo, pass the Narcan.
Yo, we need some bacalaitos.
Oh my God,
hurry up.
She went to rehab 3 times. She can't die like this. No. Oh, she has so much to live for. She's a grandmother. She's 45.
Oh, here's the ambulance. AKCC Dad Bath here, you know what I'm saying? Get into this money in this smoke. It's your boy Goldie Schmidt. You know what I'm saying? AKA I got Mero Jr. 3 features on a Lil Pump album because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year, you know what I'm saying? And he rap circles around that nigga, you know what I'm saying? Which is pretty easy to do, if we're being honest. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bitch Smack Beyond, but AKA D.A. Maradona, AKA Dick in your baby one tumble, you don't come with this pussy no more, this pussy belong to me. AKA David Trisdale, you know what I'm saying?
Locked down.
Wow, nigga, take that for data. You know what I'm saying? Give me that motherfucking pick. We want Zion, nigga. I don't care if his shoes explode.
Did you see Stephen A. Smith talking about David Fisdale's wife?
What?
You
talking spicy?
Listen, you're a married man, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just listen to this clip.
Does that make? I really don't understand this sometimes. Love Steve Mills, my brother Scott Perry, the GM. Love him. I don't understand this sometimes. And I got love for David Fisdale, too. And oh, by the way, just as an aside, Nuno, JC, John, when we talk about girlfriends and wives in the NBA, y'all need to take a look at Mrs. Fisdale. My God, she's something special.
Woo! Sorry. Woo! David Fisdale, you gotta pull up. You gotta pull up with the burner. You gotta make him claro. You gotta tell Stephen A. to
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Okay? Doing a bit too much.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? AKA Burl's antenna so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. Don't even return it to the location. Challenge got me in my bag. AKA the Dominican Dada Dykeman Daddy, AKA Swipe my card again. There's definitely money on that shit. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for selfies and to tell me that they see the ratings and that the brand is fucking strong.
Oh, the brand's beyond strong.
Yeah.
The brand is beyond.
It's over 9,000.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Jeremy, you know what I'm saying? You like your little Barney's cashier job? Jared, they put the fucking Givenchy in the bag and keep it fucking moving.
I did.
Yeah, well, wrap it again. I want the extra tissue paper.
Do you come to the store just to bother me?
Yes.
There's 20 other checkout aisles. Why do you always come here?
You got a fucking stupid face. That's why. You got a fucking fat head.
I got Showtime to watch you, dude. What's your problem?
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I used the Hive code. Like, I've been Hive forever.
Oh,
you come in the store and you pick on me every day. I don't know what your problem is. I have to listen to your podcast to dealing with you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Right?
You know what it was? I came in here and I saw you with the Gucci turtleneck, and I was just like, wow, he's not an ally.
You treat me terrible, and I'm actually a friend of Dominicans, even though you guys are loud and your women produce too much.
Wow. I never thought of it like that.
Yeah, think about that. Okay, you could be a Plantain Supernova, you could be a friend. You can't be both.
Wow. I'm so sorry, man.
You're making my acne break out. I'm going on my break. Fuck you, dude. Sad tale of Jeremy.
Yo, Jeremy's on
He just takes off the chopped cheese t-shirt, throws it down.
He's like, God damn, I'm not Hive anymore.
The brand is strong, but you know what's not strong? My feelings.
Yeah, they're hurt. AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. I put my guevazo on your titi's shoulders on stage, my nigga.
Narrator's voice.
I'm so
El Cavazo is a cassava.
You know what I'm saying?
Is that true?
Oh, she's 67? Let me find out.
Nasty.
I like them all, papi. Yeah.
Ooh.
Like the pernil that's sitting under the heat lamp for mad long. It's mad crunchy.
Nigga about to spread those pussy looks like the fucking beads in your abuela's living room.
Like,
Yeah,
ooh,
nasty.
Yeah, I smell that money house blessing.
Ooh.
Yes, bitch. Oh, you boiling fabuloso? Ooh, let me get in those cheeks, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Narrator's voice. Boiling fabuloso will make your children read slower.
AKA Light El Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got five. And bro, don't even give me an excuse because you know what I'm gonna tell you.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls type deflated, similar to Bob Kraft. You know what I'm saying? AKA Feel the Ass Tyson consensually. You know what I'm saying? I want to explore your Cosmo's mom consensually. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Susie, very first nigga to tap out on live. Been doing it before Dex, you heard. AKA Final Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zeniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? My sister is way more popping than I am. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you. Oof. To smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy the Lenten roll. You know what I'm saying? They gotta, you know what I'm saying? I don't pay attention to them food ratings, beat them shits don't matter, dog. AKA Ben Boston.
Dump.
My hands are gifted. I will surgically attach whatever set of genitals you need to have the ability to go fuck yourself for fronting on the brand. And I ain't talking to them. I'm talking to you. Call me Ben the Kiss. Candy, hop out and get the Duchess. You know what I'm saying? AKA I'll open your medicine cabinet because I'm the Zen man. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Lucius Lioness, nigga, man. Listen, man, he just played my son on TV, man. No comment, man. Come on now. AKA,
You gonna fuck up Empire for the rest of us. Take care of that, Lucius.
Now, come
Nigga,
on,
I need these checks.
I don't know nothing about that.
What's your son out here doing?
I don't know, man. Come on now. He's not my real son, man. Come on now.
I told you there's too many people on cast. I had Gabrielle Sidini on this shit.
No, I told you, man. I put the nigga in the garbage can. Remember that?
So left that nigga there.
Baby Newport 245 niggas got garbage on the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. Got these bitches. Got you sending back in a butt. Nilsy. AKA live from Farm Fair on his home strip of East Tremont, performing all of his hits between nods. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your TT is Fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me lean until I fall into the tracks. AKA from across the pond, mate. You know what I'm saying? There's no more rock stars left. There's only two. It's the Bodega Boys, mate, and I am 50% of that. It's the plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, counting money because we on the #1 show at late night. That's
Allegedly.
right. You know what I'm saying? Allegedly. You know what I'm saying? AKA I met my friend says I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? AKA chilling at the crib off edibles, playing Apex Legends, leveling up crazy. It's Barmelos Anthony
For three.
Bang! That was a headshot actually, but fuck it. It's
Oh,
the
you
same
fucking,
thing.
you fucking spick, you quick scope me,
Yeah,
you fucking aimbot, you're cheating, you fucking, you know what, if I go, I'll fucking kill you, you, nigga. You're fucking. I'm gonna put my dick in your eyeball. Fuck you, guy. Fuck you, dude. If I get your IP address, I'm gonna come quick scope your mom, dude. I'm gonna shoot your mom in her pussy, dude. If I ever catch you, if I ever catch you, I'm gonna.
I'm about to mute this nigga.
Fuck you,
Yo, Lala, dox this nigga. Dox this nigga. We send a SWAT team to your crib, stupid. Enjoy the SWAT team, Tyler. Peace. I'm out of the lobby. Suck a dick.
Is it really? I would like to point out that swatting is a felony. Please do not. Please do not swat people. It sounds like fun. That's how niggas get shot.
Exactly.
Because if it's like, as New Jersey SWAT team, you might act a little erratically. Because they're like, there's someone in there with a gun. He's going to say he doesn't have a gun. You come to the door like, I don't have a gun.
Oh, show's over, folks.
No more.
It's showtime. If you see me at Target, dog, with my eyes redder than a Rockets jersey sitting in the toy aisle eating strange Oreo flavors, approach me like a motherfucker Ursa mammal, nigga. I may react erratically, dog.
What's the strangest Oreo?
Watermelon, dog. Niggas have
you Coon McGee?
Yes.
You out here eating.
No, I never ate them. I seen
you
them.
out here eating watermelon for the white man?
I seen them and I took a picture of it and I sent it to the NAACP.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? Because I'm doing my part for the community.
Watermelon.
You know what I'm saying? Like, how dare you?
How dare you?
Might as well just make fucking Swedish fish, bro. Why don't you make collard greens Oreos?
There's niggas right now down south putting salt on that shit. Eating it.
And it's like a crab single.
Some boiled peanuts. That's good eating.
Yeah, well, that's delicious.
Following that shit up with a hot pickle.
And some chitlins.
all at a gas station.
Niggas in a hot pickle.
Niggas deep throwing it before getting it to the girl to bite. She's like, Clarence, you always deep throwing the pickle before I get a chance.
Hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown.
Oh shit, Benzo's here, kids.
How you doing?
I told you, Sheila, I got a clown.
Yeah, I'm here. Hi, ever for your kids' party? I'll show up to your kids' party after it's over. And for my grand finale, I'll fall asleep and pee on myself. No, you're not getting your deposit back. I'm out of here. Bye.
Someone stop him. He took the house phone. Nigga running down the street with the Fios router.
I'm gonna sell this at Pawn Stars.
Again, sir, you can't. It comes installed to a house. You can't just bring me a Fios router.
What do you mean?
Do you have the EIN number?
I got a scratch off.
Sir, what Verizon account was this attached to?
John Verizon.
John Verizon is not a. John Verizon is not a real person, sir.
Oh shit! I'm out of here.
Knocking from everywhere, running to the pawn shop. Oh, the fucking Fios router, like
with the one floppy shoes.
Running like Precious when she throws the chicken.
Yo, AKA some fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's Snapple Apple and Scrubbing Bubbles about to drop some whack shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA Hasan, tiene para la pista, coño. Llegó el legítimo FIFO, tú sabes que es lo que es bajando con 10 cadenas, 5 para adelante y 5 para atrás, coño, para no caerme. Me busqué tanto que hasta me encontré, loco. Deja el bulto, mamá huevo, que yo ando bien montado y tú andas a pie, mamá grano. Móntate en la guagua y arranca. Aquí yo soy el que manda. Llégale a la cadena que parece una bufanda, mamá huevo, coño. Rapa tu madrina, rastrero, el diablo. Coño, shout out La Casa, Showtime, shout out Casa. Como siempre, shout out Last Man, shout out Hasan, coño, el que pone la nota. Shout out Basti, Jubilee, dímelo. Shout out Broqueta, el Capitán. Shout out mi hermano, my brother, Desus Night. Y el pelo más lindo del mundo, Victor Knight in the building. Diana la Bella, Victoria la Bella. In the building, we out here, motherfucker. Y mi para que está detrás de la cámara. Que tú sabes que lo que, manín.
One time, Justin, let's see that beautiful face. Come on, turn around yourself.
Turn around. Hey, Justin. Hey.
And the guy in the building, my man Edo in the building one time smoking hit hash on camera. He don't give a fuck. He said, fuck my job, nigga. I'm smoking hash on camera.
It's been episode 149. And you know what? Just to come full circle, somebody has posted key art of us from when we were on Joking Off.
Oh. Wow!
Shout out to Bodega Hive because y'all are cooking us right now.
That's a scary sight.
Niggas is broke.
That's a scary sight. Look at MetroCard, Desus, and Mero.
Nigga.
That's the joke.
Look at my pointy ass head, boy.
Yo, Mero, you still have hops back then, though. Look at all the cartilage.
Nigga, that's when they told me they were going to pay me more than 5 figures. I was like, yeah.
Well, a lot of y'all saying that my head is pointy. It's not pointy. It's a decimal point to represent all the decimal points in my bank account right now, nigga. You know what it is? Gaslight Boys, Billy Boys, 1 million viewers. You know what it is?
Stupid suck I dick.
Could have been you, ma. We out.